Everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So I did an unboxing. If you probably watch it, and I didn't realize I still have one on the back. So here we go. Just gonna show it real fast. So it is an Indian head, 1 cent. It is a very good condition. It's an 1851, a very old one. 1859 one, 1 cent. It have a good value. It have a low mintage as well, so very nice. Imagine I miss it. It's among with this with other things, but it's in one of those uh, bubble wraps. It's all in the bubble wrap. I didn't see it. It's too much in a hurry. See USA 1 cent, 1859, and that's the grade KM87 BG. And price is $20. But actually, if you look at the the value of these coins from year 1859 is more higher in NGC and in the MISA. That's where I look for value of these coins, and you can see in eBay as well. Of course, the price will be higher in there. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. So my playlist have lots of lots of coins in it. Thank you. I hope you all have a very good day.